As Noel said, it was a hair-raising first set. Attack points for Ateneo, 15, and San Sebastian having 2 more. But towards the end, just too many errors for the Lady Sags as they committed 9 errors against the only 4 for Ateneo.
And of course, the Manila stat line is brought to us by Manila, the official drinking water provider of the Shakey's V-League. So after a very close first set win by Ateneo, statement na rin yung kasi si Lauren Ford, umiinit na nun eh.
Yeah, but alam mo itong Ateneo, and interesting to. Valdez with 7 points, equaling Boli 7. Itong si Kainglet with 5, equaling Ford's 5
So
also.
nagbuburahan lang silang dalawa.
Magandang match. Imagine, Ford Kainglet.
Oo.
Diba?
Well,
Valdez Boli. Yun.
yan, pwede pa yan. Pwede pa yan.
Ganun kagandang mga bola ni Phil.
Oh,
diba? Ford ang
exactly.
ka-level up niya.
Pero makikita mo naman dito, as we have a little bit of a lull before we start the second set, na itong si Kainglet is just being herself and getting the points that she usually does. She's not overexerting herself as of yet.
So, expect Phil.
Fill it up.
Yeah.
Here's Boli. Dug up by Ferrer. Hervasio sets up Valdez. That's overcooked. De Leon has to tap it across. Lauren Ford. Phil Kainglet was at the right spot. Nabigla na si Phil Kainglet na biglang nagkaroon ng velocity yung bola.
And the right person to take it, diba?
Right. She was at the right spot. So 1-0 for San Sebastian here. Boli, there it is. Boom! Here is Hervasio getting it back.
Takes the line.
So tied at 1 right now on that cross-court attack by Z. Hervasio. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Ariel Patnongon. She's serving now. Isipin mo kung nandito pa sa kanila yung mga Thai imports nila. Ayun.
Super quick. And super strong. Results to a, what? Super point.
Isipin mo, running attack yan.
Bilis eh.
Lauren Ford scored the 2 points already of San Sebastian here.
Pag super point, pwede bang 2 yun?
Parang nung All-Star Weekend sa PBA, di ba? Yung mga dunk 3 points.
Oh,
nice block there by Angelina Hervasio. So far, it's Hervasio 2, Ford 2.
Take a look at it once again.
Yep, it's Hervasio and Kainglet actually, or Gretchen Ho at the scene.
It's actually an offensive blocking. Nakita mo push the ball over and took the point.
Valdez,
Something you want to see when you're up against San Sebastian.
Naninibago pa ako sa kulay nitong si Eliza. Galing tournament no? Beach volleyball.
International tournament.
Ford, Valdez. Ferrer had to chase it. Ateneo still gets the point.
And they were asking for a violation. Ruby De Leon asking for a lifting violation.
Yeah, she might have had a point there.
Pero until the whistle is blown. Pwede, dapat di ka titigil.
Kailangan Angelina Hervasio. Ito na yung jump serve naman niya. Sige, kainin niya, ha?
Too much for Joy Benito.
Yes. Paganda ng jump serve yan. Boli versus Hervasio. Charo Soriano used to try to do that also. With great success. And Hervasio going to it once again. Oh my goodness. And she's not as tall as Boli, ha?
That's right.
Ferrer, Kainglet.
Kainglet trying to go down the line. Goes wide.
So tied at 4 right now here in set number 2.
Benito.
That's Annalyn Joy Benito. The last remnants of the old republic para sa koponan ng San Sebastian. Para Star Wars, no?
Yan ka na naman. Star Wars. Again, Kainglet off speed has been working for Phil Kainglet in this game.
And for those of you who are volleyball practitioners, especially mga high school volleyball players, watch how Phil Kainglet just takes apart a defense by just changing the speed of her shot. Kasi yung mga iba dyan, nasanay na talaga yung malalakas na palo eh.
hindi naman kailangan
Oo, minsan
palagi.
hindi
It's
kailangan.
actually looking for the right spot.
Right. Ferrer, Kainglet, there she goes for power that time. Kept alive by Boli. It goes to the other side, but no one too near the net, and Boli says, thank you very much.
Boli was ahead on that last play, kaya she could do anything
Oo.
with
Doon niya
that
dinala.
ball.
Actually, zone 1 bukas din doon pero doon niya dinala sa gilid. Gustilo. Valdez. Ferrer for Kainglet off the block. De Leon pushing Doria aside.
That's going to be long, asking for a check.
Si Boli, may kita mo may pagka-Pilipina na talaga Wala.
Nakatingin
Wala.
Nakatingin kay Sir Efren
Wala. Hindi ito yung bibig niya. Wala.
So cute.
Lumalabas na ang pagka-Pilipino niya I mean, how many years has she been playing in this country already?
And, she has been embraced by the volleyball enthusiasts
Right.
here in the Philippines.
Here's
Parang
Ferrer.
tayo di ba?
Too near the net, and De Leon is able to put that one away.
Just too much a veteran. And Ruby De Leon.
And Ferrer has yet to get her groove going here. Ford is back in front. Kaya naghihiyawan na naman yung mga tao.
Bad news, sabi.
Janet
Bad news
Victoria.
Ford. Dapat natanggalan.
Totoo yun.
Bad news Ford.
Look.
Really, again, making an impact right away.
Sabi ni Eliza, paano ka naman iiwasan yan? Lapad. Iniwasan na niya. Talaga na yun, ha?
Actually, yung set kasi, pagkakaset nasa dulo na. So,
Oo.
not much yung space na pwedeng laruan itong si Valdez.
And good read by Denden Lazaro, letting that one go. We're tied at 7 here. And you can see Coach Roger Graham as we take our friends from Axel, the official outfitter of Shakey's V-League. Ferrer. De Leon. Nice reach by Kainglet. Here's Valdez. Off-speed attack. Kept alive there by San Sebastian. Benito gets it across. Here's Ferrer. Valdez on mark. And Valdez will score. 8-7. It's a very, very close match, folks. As we take a look at this last play, Eliza Valdez, getting it done against the defense of San Sebastian.